Today we talk about the introduction of ethics and IEEE code. Okay, so let's talk about what is the ethics. Ethics is defined as a moral philosophy or code of morals practiced by a person or group of people. Another definition is the study of standards of conduct and moral judgment or moral philosophy. So the type of ethics are supernaturalism, subjectivism, consequentialism, intuitionism, emotivism, duty based ethics, virtue ethics, and situation ethics. Uses of ethics. So, the best use of ethics is ethical values help guide us along a pathway to deal more effectively with ethical dilemmas by eliminating those behaviors that do not conform to our sense of right and wrong, our best rational interest without sacrificing others. So the question is, where does ethics came from? Ethics came from religion, human conscience and institutions, a rational moral cost benefit analysis of actions and their effects, the example of good human beings, a desire for the best for people in each unique situation and in a political power. Ethics and people. It means that a role of person to be an ethical person. So being an ethical person for me means having traits such as integrity and honesty. It means trying to do the right thing, living one's values and showing concern for others and for society. Fortunately, I personally believe that the vast majority of leaders are ethical people. However, research has suggested that many senior leaders feel that being an ethical person and making ethically sound decision is enough. Indeed, by having principles taking into account societal needs and being fair and caring when making decisions, leaders often feel they can be classified as ethical leaders. What is IEEE Code of Ethics? The IEEE Code of Ethics are to hold the paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public, to strive to comply with ethical design and sustainable development practices, to protect the privacy of others, and to disclose promptly factors that might endanger the public of the environment, to improve the understanding by individuals and society of the capabilities and societal implications of conventional and emerging technologies and including intelligent system. What is IEEE for? So the IEEE is for stand for the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers and is produced IEEE. The IEEE is a professional association that develops, defines and reviews electronics and computer science standards. Its mission is to foster technological innovation and excellence for the benefit of humanity. So here's a picture in your screen. In this picture show that a person is peeping other person's mobile screen and restrict his privacy. So which principle is applied for this person who is peeping in other person's mobile screen? Principle 1.7 applies. 1.7 for privacy